Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to upload a photo to your story in TikTok. If you want to share a memorable moment captured in a photo with your TikTok followers, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open TikTok on your device. Ensure that you're logged into your TikTok account and ready to share your photo story. Step 2. Tap on the plus icon located at the bottom center of the screen. This will open the TikTok creation screen, where you can choose the type of content you want to upload. Step 3. Slide the cursor to the photo option. By selecting this option, you'll be able to upload a photo from your device's gallery. Step 4. Take a photo or select one from your gallery. If you choose to take a photo, position your camera and tap the capture button. If you're selecting a photo from your gallery, browse through your albums and choose the desired image. Step 5. Once you have the photo you want to share, tap on the Your Story icon. This will initiate the uploading process and edit the photo to your story. Step 6. Wait for the photo to be uploaded. The duration may vary depending on your internet connection and the size of the photo. Once the upload is complete, your photo will be posted as a story for your TikTok followers to see. By following these simple steps, you can easily upload a photo to your story in TikTok, sharing special moments and experiences with your followers. Thank you for watching, and enjoy sharing your photo stories on TikTok.